Hello, everyone. Welcome to the session on tokenization. In today's digital age, online and card based payments have become part of our daily lives. However, with convenience comes the risk of fraud and data theft. To address this challenge, banks and regulators have introduced a powerful security measure called tokenization. In this session, we'll understand what tokenization is, how it works, and why it is crucial for secure digital payments. Tokenization is a process where sensitive card information, such as the 16 digit debit or credit card number, is replaced with a unique random code called a token. This token acts as a stand in for the card details. During transactions, the token is used instead of the real card number, ensuring that actual card information remains hidden and protected. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you are shopping on an e commerce website and enter your debit card details at checkout. Instead of sending your card number to the merchant, the system generates a random token. This token is used to process the payment. Even if someone intercepts the token, it cannot be converted back into your card details, making the transaction highly secure. Here's how tokenization works, step by step. First, the customer initiates a transaction by entering card details. These details are securely sent to a tokenization system or vault. The system generates a unique token in place of the card number. This token is sent to the payment processor for authorization. The original card details are never shared with the merchant, and once approved, the transaction is completed securely. Tokenization offers multiple benefits. For customers, it provides an extra layer of security and protects card data even if a merchant's system is breached. Transactions become faster, as tokenized cards don't need repeated data entry. Tokens can also be easily suspended or replaced. For merchants, tokenization reduces fraud risk, improves compliance, and builds customer trust. The Reserve Bank of India has issued clear guidelines on tokenization. It is completely voluntary and requires explicit customer consent, usually through OTP authentication. Only authorized card networks can perform tokenization, and merchants are not allowed to store actual card details. The service is free and available across multiple devices. In conclusion, tokenization is a vital step towards safer, smoother, and more reliable digital payments. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more learning sessions.